Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the Python console in QGIS. For that, first we have to go to the option plugins. From here, we have to choose the Python console. Okay, here we can see that this is our Python console. From here, we have to select this code editor. I have already selected it and written a small code where we have to open a project. Then we have to open a vector file. I have used this code from the QGIS documentation. This one. This is the PyQGIS developer cookbook of QGIS official website. You can check it from here and write your code in Python console. So I will run this code. Here we can see that my code is running successfully and my layout is showing here.